Do you ever wonder where your money goes each month? Now, I'm going to help you manage your money like a pro for your financial independence, whether it's supporting their kids' education, having a secure retirement, or simply enjoying debt-free vacations. Now, this episode is your first step towards achieving financial peace of mind. We'll help you develop the right mindset and take strategic actions to take control of your finances. My name is Marcus de Maria, and a few years ago, I was £100,000 in bad debt, sleeping on my brother's floor. Money was a constant source of stress, but one day, I decided to just take action, and I became financially independent, and today, I have zero bad debt and can afford things that I truly value. That turning point for me and many others, learning to manage money. The key difference between someone who is financially secure and someone who struggles is having a consistent money management system. Millionaires don't get rich by luck. They're organized and aware of where their money goes. They also invest part of it to grow their wealth, but that's a topic for a future episode. Right now, let's focus on the foundation, and that is understanding where does your money go? But before I get to that, let me ask you, how many bank accounts do you have? You must be wondering why I'm asking this, right? Well, having just one bank account hinders your ability to do what wealthy people do, and that is to manage their money. Let me explain. If you have one bank account, which means only one account which has 100% of your source of income coming into it. Now, you feel like going out to the cinema, right? Sounds exciting. You pull out the money from that one account. Oh, and next weekend, you want to hang out with a friend. Again, money goes out from this same account. Now, this keeps happening until you go back to your account to pay your bills and there's not enough money. You wonder, how did this happen again? Well, this is because you had only one or maybe two accounts, which makes it impossible for you to manage your money. Now, if you have a separate bank account, for example, for essentials and maybe to have fun, then you can easily know how much money you can spend if your friend calls you and asks you for a hangout. Well, you can look at your fun bank account and say, how about next week? This week I don't have enough to spend. Maybe we can cook dinner at home for now. Now, doing this will save you the money required for your bills. The idea is to have separate bank accounts for all the money management pots, investing, learning, and savings. So please apply for more bank accounts if you haven't done that already. It should be free with some banks. Now, let's come back to understanding where your money goes. If you find yourself stuck in a financial rut, here's a revolutionary yet simple tool, the money management system. It's simple maths, dividing your income into percentages allocated to different categories or pots or bank accounts. Let's start with the essentials pot. Okay, essential expenses like rent, groceries, or utilities. All right, now there's the investment pot. Your future, right? Retirement funds, stocks, cryptocurrencies. Then there's your learning pot, education, getting a coach, growing, knowing what to do. And then there's your fun pot, everybody's favorite. Fun money for occasional splurges like cinema, dining, or going out. And then there's your savings pot, emergency funds, or saving for something special like an anniversary or a long-awaited holiday. Now, figuring out how much to allocate to each pot depends on your unique situation, of course. Our money management calculator makes this process easy. Let's see how it works with a sample income of £50,000 per year. Your take-home pay might be around $3,230 after tax. The calculator suggests allocating 55% to your essentials pot. So how much should you invest and save and even use for fun activities? Well, that's exactly what I'll cover for you in the upcoming episodes. Make sure to watch the next video to learn how to manage your money.